almost there. You got it? Can you bring my phone over? It's on the other telescope. It's almost there. All right, hello. I think we are live. Yes. Okay, hi. Welcome to Hale Planetarium. All right, hello. I think we are live.
Well, I can finally hear something.
Yes. All right, great. So,
Hi.
Sonia and Heather, we have you both. Welcome to Hale Planetarium. All right, hello. I think we are live.
Well, I can finally hear something.
Yes. All right, great. So,
Hi.
Sonia and Heather, we have you both.
Yes.
Good. All right, I have a bunch of feedback.
Yes.
Good. All right, please bear with us as this is our first time going live. And I'm trying to stop the feedback. All right, I have a bunch of feedback.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. All right, please bear with us as this is our first time going live. And I'm trying to stop the feedback. All right, I have a bunch of feedback.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. All right, please bear with us as this is our first time going live. Where's my microphone?
Hi, everyone. Thank you all for coming. So while we're waiting for some things to get started, we can go ahead and take a look at some of the celestial objects that we have up in the sky right now. So I'm going to switch over. So the first object we have is Saturn. Some of the celestial objects that we have up in the sky right now. So I'm going to switch over. So the first object we have is Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant, and it is nicknamed the Lord of the Rings for very obvious reasons. It has a very magnificent set of rings that are mainly made up of small objects of ice and rock. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest in our solar system, right after Jupiter, which is right next to it right now. It has an average radius of about 9 times that of Earth, and just for some scale, Earth has a radius of about 12,000 and some hundred kilometers, and it has about 1/8 of the density of Earth, which means that Saturn is a very, very light planet. If you found a bathtub big enough to fit it, it would actually float right on the water. With its really, really great large volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive than Earth. And back to the gas giant fact, as far as we know, there is no solid area on Saturn to land on. So if you were to, say, perhaps somehow take a ship to get there as a human and you try to land, you would actually just fall through the planet. But it's so large that you would never reach the bottom. Area on Saturn to land on. So if you were to, say, perhaps somehow take a ship to get there as a human and you try to land, you would actually just fall through the planet. But it's so large that you would never reach the bottom. So continuing on to its neighbor, Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun, so it's just right outside the band separating the rocky planets from the gas giants, which is just a large band of meteorites. That planet was once thought to be a failed sun. Scientists have now found, after years of research and physics, that it in fact was not a failed star. It's just an extremely large planet. A large band of meteorites. That planet was once thought to be a failed sun. Scientists have now found, after years of research and physics, that it in fact was not a failed star. It's just an extremely large planet. A large band of meteorites. That planet was once thought to be a failed sun. Scientists have now found, after years of research and physics, that it in fact was not a failed star. It's just an extremely large planet.
that resolved my mic problems. So while they get figured out with the other mic problems, I will go ahead and talk about those two lovely stars next to Saturn and Jupiter, Altair and Vega, which compose, hopefully, that resolved areas of the